religion and belief system. And we're going to focus today on the different practices of the Judaism as the world religion. So, but before we go on to our lesson this morning, we are going to review first your numeracy skill. Okay? This is just a matter of basic integers. Okay? So, we have here, with the sign, this is the law or rule in terms of integers. So we have here find the sum of integers. When the signs are the same, add and keep the sign. So for example here, sample number 1, negative 5 plus negative 11. So 5 plus 11 is equal to 16. So 16. But then, the sign is negative, meaning, i-remain lang daw. So, nahimo siya negative 16. So, that's the rule of addition. We have here 8 plus 4. So, basic, no? What is the sign? Positive. So, that is basic. So, we have here another. Find the sum of integers. Okay? When the signs are different, we are going to subtract. Meaning, minus. So, subtract, then use the sign of the greater number. So, up here, the sample. 6 or positive 6 plus negative 9. Negative 3. So, ang dako niya is 9. Find the difference, which is 3. So, kung sa dako, ang 9 and 6 are 9. So, that is why the answer is negative 3. So, we have here another sample. 8 plus negative 4. So, we are going to find the difference. 4. So, the bigger number is positive. That is why the answer is positive 4. So, next. Okay, we have here some sample. So, who will spell it? Spell the word is the Taani. Okay. Who wants to spell the word and go to Blackboard? Spell the word menorah. Just try. Menorah. Okay, go. Menorah. Okay, the word number 2. Prayer. Okay, go back. Okay, for number 3, we have here circumcision. Circumcision. Or pagkatinulit, na pagkaitulit koan, na nagkagalawan, button word. Circumcision. Don't you worry because this is not pre-assessment. Tinggal lumakan. Circumcision. Another word is Sabbath. Okay. Sabbath. Yung mga chart lagi lumaki lagi. Nagpali-pali lagi mo lagi mo. Isa na nagsulat ba? No? Tanawin lang mga agi. Sabbath. Then, next is Passover. Passover. Okay, lagang Passover. Come try. Just try. Passover. Passover. Ayaw mo sabi. Passover. Okay. Okay, let us check your answer. Okay, we have here word number 1. What is this kind of word? Morning. What do you mean by this? Kabuntagon. Another? Morning. Huh? So this morning is not related to morning, which is umaga, buntag, but this is about that. Okay, morning, kahasubok. Okay? So, muli siya ang spelling pagka nasubok ka because of somebody passed away. So, doon namatay. So, meaning morning. You are in morning situation. So, pagluluksa, yes, that is. So, this is the spelling of menorah. Okay? Menorah. Okay, very good. Another term is circumcision. Okay, so just check. Idas lang siya. Ilisin na lang. So that is circumcision, meaning tinuli. Here we go. Okay, another word is Sabbath. So in Spanish or Hebrews, that is Shabbat, meaning Shabbath, Shabbat. But then the Sabbath in English, that is the right word. Okay, we have here dietary law, prayer, okay, Passover. Okay, change the spelling ko ay Passover, double S, O-V-E-R. So, next is marriage. So, this is marriage. Okay, di na siya marriage, siya marriage. Tunga siya sa A o E, marriage. Okay. So, next we have here, so different stories from the Bible. The first picture, talk about, what is the first picture? Time of? Who will answer? Just raise your hand. What kind of story is the picture number 1? Okay, lumagda. Time of Daniel, yeah, that is Daniel in the lion's den. So picture number 2, here. Okay, lakad kaayo. Okay, the story of Moses, where they passed the Red Sea. Okay, well, they passed the Red Sea. Picture number 3. Okay, the time of Jonah in the belly of the whale. The last picture, Samson. Yes, Babala. Congratulations. So that is Samson. Okay, in the, asan siya? In the Palestine. During the time of Delilah. Okay, so, ano siya? Kanang time na pagsimba nila sa ilang Lord. Okay, that's the Dagun. The Lord na nila si Dagun. So, let's check, okay, Daniel story of Moses, story of Jonah, then story of Samson. So, next we have here, in PE, or physical education, it is more about health, okay? The health that we need in our body is with the acronym New Start, meaning that is what our body needs, okay? So, we have here letter N. Our body needs letter N. Nutrition, yeah. That's nutrition, letter N. Our body needs nutrition. We should eat, go, grow, and glow. Okay? Every day. That is not just every week, but that is every day. It's because some nutrients which is over with the needs of our body, for example, vitamin C, it is become waste every day. That is why we need to eat, go, grow, and glow every day with the proper amount also. Pagka nagkaon ka go, grow, and glow, but then the amount is not exact, meaning to say the overdosage is bad to our health. Okay, for example, the over na itong sugar atong go. So meaning to say, ma-turn into pagkadaot sa itong pancreas, that is the source of diabetes. Okay? Madaot na ganyan itong pancreas, madaot din ang atong diabetes. And you know what? Ang result, ana, is pareho sa resulta sa kanang winter. Manghilabot siya in all parts of our body. It's because diabetes can kill our immune system soldiers. Okay, the soldiers called the immune system. Dauton siya sa sugar. That is why wala na tayo pang-fight sa atong mga sakit. Our body has its own immune system. Even though we didn't want to drink medicine, if we have strong immune system, mualim lang siya sa iyang pagkalingon. Okay? Mga samad, mga hilanat, mga kuan, any other illness, pagka strong ang immune system, maayo lang siya, sa dilig siya tambalan. Okay? So, next, letter E. Exercise. So, our body needs exercise, and walking is the best exercise. Okay? Walking is the best exercise. At least we give our body at least 15 minutes a day for exercise. Okay, good morning. Sir, at least mag-libo pa ko, sir, after this is wala ko, sir, una na lang po para ma-cover. Yes po. Okay. So, Next, we have here, after the exercise, again, we need our body at least 15 minutes every day for exercise so that our immune system will become strong and also our body din siya mahidalian. Okay? So, kinahanglan siya exercise. So, in exercising, 3 days na siya, pwede ka, for example, nag-gym ka. Hindi pwede ka, Lunes, Martes, nag-gym ka and travel for the whole week. Kinahanglan kung mag-gym ka, at least 3 days sa ilang gilita. Kung mag-exercise ka karon Sunday, next time exercise is Wednesday. Kung Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, pareho na siya kung effect sa Sunday o Wednesday. Nga naman, pag imo exercise sa 3 days, hindi pa siya mawala. Okay? So, that is why, muna siya, even in our vocalization, bigyan mo na siya, no? So, that is exercise. Again, I am very sad when I was about to have exercise in Salay. Ano man, halos tanan akong ka-jogging dito sa Salay. Unlike here in Malinas side, kaya nagkakita exercise every morning, na-jogging dala sa kuano, sa pantalan. But then, sa Salay lahi, akong kuyo dito mag-exercise, gawas akong, ano ko'y kauban isa. Gawas akong kauban isa ng mga healthy pa. Ako kauban dito mag-exercise, mga bruise, mga paralyzed, no? So that is a very, kuan ba, alarming, no? Na kasagara is i-decline na, iwala na ang time sa exercise. So dapat we have time to exercise even though you are just young, no? As young as you are, you should need exercise, no? Kaya atong proper standing, i-exercise na siya. Kaya bisan pag mag-inuma ko mo ka ng anlin, dili na siya mutuyat ng inyong likod o dili ko mag-exercise. So inyo and makatabang siya sa circulation sa atong blood and also ability to think. Ang proper standing position, proper setting position that can help our blood circulation and functions even our brain. No? Bisan sa atong utok. Pag-anai ka maghapon, so something will happen. Okay? So that is why ang advice is please remain your proper setting and proper standing position. Okay, next W.
Water.
Yes, that is water. Water is very necessary. It's because it brings oxygen to our to our brain. So that is why our brain, kanang mga hilanat, no, kanang tapos sa pagginhawa kuan. What do you mean by this? Bahaw. Please drink water as often as you can. It is not only about 8 to 10 glasses, but more than that. It's because our temperature for today is 40 above, no? 40 na degrees Celsius. This is not an ordinary na heat. So that is why we need also more than the body needs, which is 8 to 10 glasses a day. If necessary, it can reach 12. Okay? So, but then, ang pag-inom, no, proper drinking, ang pag-inom is dili siya biglaan. At first, when you woke up in the morning, you are going to drink 1 to 2 glasses when you woke up in the morning. After that, hinay-hinay na yun. Okay? Bisag wala mo giuhaw, drink water. Mugmug lang. Nag-usa ka mugmug. Dili na social-social, but that is the proper way how to drink water. Okay? Next to water is S. Sunlight. Our body needs sunlight. Okay? To make or help strong immune system and even our sleeping habit. Okay? Maka-on siya sa ating sleeping habit and also for our skin. Okay? Na siya vitamin. Saan siya? Vitamin D, E, C, D. Okay. So, ano siya, no? Ang atong sunlight needs para ma-uptick ang atong hormones. And mind you, kanatong skin color, pabantay mo sa bata, na kung maglagom ang bata, magyalo ang bata, ipag-initan. At least 5 minutes every day. Kinahanglan, no? And sa ato is okay na siya, morning lang sa, kaya nga naman, pagkabutan ko dali, even though wala kang tayo air condition, so lusot ihapon ang rays from the sun. And ayaw mo kabalaka, it's because our skin is good types of skin. No, katong mga putik is mga tanin, moto sila ang prone sa cancer, skin cancer. Okay, may kulang sila sa hormone that can fight skin cancer. Okay, next to S is T. T. instant for, what do you think? T for, that is temperance. Pagpugong sa kaugalingon. All things which is over is bad. So that is why letter T stands for temperance. So we need to have temperance in terms of our eating habit. Pagkaon. Okay? Pag-inom. Dili inom nga water. Pag-inom sa colored, no? Even juice. So makadaot siya. And temperance, in our actions, in our speech, tanan siya. Naglangkop siya sa temperance, pagpugong sa kagalingon. So, next to T is A. A. A stands for air. Okay? So, air. Fresh air, tanawan niyo sa picture na dala. Fresh air is necessary for our health. So, kung hanggap mo sa dautan ng hangin, meaning to say, be careful, no? Atong mga second-hand user, smoke user, be careful. It's because mas dako ang makuha sa second-hand kaysa nagsigarilyo. So, naakali mo yung kauban na dinigarilyo, palayo.
Yes.
Badlunga siya or palayo mo, ikan anak, nanuman, mas dako ang sakit or dali ka madaot ang inyong baga kaysa nanigarilyo. Nanuman, kining atong baga, doon na siya gagmay kayo nga gitawag life pills, siguro na. Mura siya mga mushroom ba, gagmay. So, millions na siya, daghan na siya. So, in time, nga musigarilyo ang usa ka tao, muna equal sa statistic na 15 seconds of your life mawala. Ano man, katong mga, mura siya. Basta buhi na siya, magmutapang upang sa atong lungs. So, in time na mamatay na siya, pag isa ka sigarilyo, anak, na part na namatay. Or bisan ikaw na nakahanggap og sigarilyo, isang part na ito mamatay, dili na to siya mabuhi pag-usap. So, meaning, you should be careful that even though wala ko na ni garilyo, pero nakahanggap og sigarilyo, sa part ato nga buhi, mamatay to siya. Pag mamatay ato, it will never revive again. Dili to siya mabuhi. Bisa kung sa tambal inyong mo, dili to siya mabuhi. Pero lagi buhi pag ako mo kay millions ko to siya, daghan mo kismatanan siya. Some part lang siya namatay. So tingala pa wala ko na ni garilyo, nganong lisod ko ginawa. It's because of your family, your company, na ni garilyo, kaya ikaw ang nagsibo. Okay? Again, pag mamatay na siya na part sa inyong lungs, it will never go to live. Revive, dili ko siya ma-revive. So next, letter R. Okay, rest. Rest. We will rest in peace. Rest, we need our body rest according to the age that we have. Okay? Lain ang number of hours, it's depend on our age and body condition. So, likayan na to ang pagkatulog sa dugay kaysa natanan. Nga naman, natay target na time. Suppose, if possible, tulog na yung na 9 o'clock in the evening. Kaya pag-abot sa 10 to 2 in dawn, adlaw, mo na siya body repair. Mo repair ang atong body from the usage na atong gigamit in the whole day. Pag dili ta anak makakatulog, it is equivalent to 4 days of rest. Mo na kupat na lang kaadlaw, luya ka paghihapon, ganoman, wala pa naman ang pag-repair sa imong body sa mga nagamit na mga parts maybe. So, that is why, if possible also, if matulog mo, i-off din ninyo ang light. Kaya pag-repair sa body, kinahanglan siya it siya. So, aron ma-repair ang body, muna siya paglihog sa mga hormones. Okay? Gabi, matulog sa'yo. Ihapon yun, dapat 9 o'clock nakatulog na mo. Okay? Kapag 10, so good na ang body repair, paingon sa 2 o'clock. Mala pang mata mo, alas 4, alas 3, pwede na nagsiya. Basta nakatulog mo sa'yo. Okay? Lahi ang pagkatulog sa morning, lahi ang sa evening ha. Lahi ang iyang equivalent. Lahi ang iyang kahit ang pag-repair sa body. So, nag-iwan ang Ginoo, maghihatag niya ang gabi para sa pagkahulay. O gihatag niya ang bukat aron sa pagtrabaho. That is why, naipang gabi niya, in time na pagbuntag mo pag-duty, kinahanglan tutulog yung pagkagabi. Okay? Or if possible, kung morning yun mo wala natulog, make it sure that your room will become night. Kanang bagat na kayo mga 4 tips para mura po siya gabi while matulog mo. Kaya natay nasud karon nga walay gabi. Bantay mo ato, Greenland, I think that is Greenland. Ha? Greenland na to? Walay gabi. So that is why ibuhat nila bagat kayo magrutina to turn the room night. Even though it is also day. Day pa siya sa outside. So, we have here, again, our topic for this morning is the practices of Judaism. So, all those things which I mentioned and also those, in cross with the PE, physical education, it is also here in practice, or the practice of Judaism. So, these are the objectives of the lesson. At the end of the session, the students will be able to identify major Jewish practices and rituals. Number 2, comprehend the significance of these practices and rituals in Jewish religious life. And number 3, analyze how specific practices, example the Shabbat, dietary laws, impact the lives of Jewish people. So again, when we are going to bear in mind that Judaism, when we hear the word Judaism, that is the one of the major religion or the oldest religion all over the world. In terms of monotheistic religion, that is the very oldest. The oldest, very oldest pa. So that is the oldest religion all over the world, back over 3,000 years ago. And it is centered around the belief of one God versus many gods. And also, it rich tradition of ritual and practices that guides daily life and community. So, again, Judaism focuses on the 10 commandments and the 613 rules. Okay? 613 rules of Judaism. So this is the flag, or the Israelites, or the Israel flag. The flag of Israel, ang symbol niya is the Star of David. So, we have here the Yarmulke. All the men of Israel use Yarmulke, especially when we are worshiping. They are worshiping God in the synagogue. So we have here the menorah, the 7 lampstands, which symbolizes that the message of salvation is came from Israel. And that is menorah, the light of the world. Okay, this is circumcision. When the Israelite reached 8 days old, no? 8 pa lang kaadlaw, ginatulit na ang mga Israelites. Okay? So that is also the covenant. Okay? That is the covenant. We have here the day Shabbat, going to worship, and the dietary law. That is the dietary law of Judaism. No, and also the burial or the mourning. So we have here, the Sabbath of Judaism starts at the evening or sunset of Friday, and it will end up to the sunset of Saturday. It is the commemoration of the creation week, wherein God created and rested on the 7th day, Sabbath. And we have here a day of rest and spiritual reflection. So rituals, ang ilang rituals nila, to light the candles in the lampstand or in the menorah, and reciting kiddush and enjoying the family meals. And the prohibition of work and creative activities to honor and sanctify the day, and that is found in the 4 commandments of God. Okay? They're going to make the day holy. So that is the Sabbath day of the Jewish people. In terms of dietary laws, we have here found in Leviticus 11, that is the kosher food, which in Muslims that is called the halal food, but in Judaism it is called kosher. The kosher food, we have here the words, the food permissible. Well, it can be eaten. So that is what we call kosher, and how they must be prepared. So dili pwede kaunon even though it is chicken, manok siya, chicken. So kung manok gani, dili siya pwede kaunon pagka ipatay sa laing mananap. For example, ipaak siya sa iro,
kay gipangaso. So dili siya pwede kaunon. Ngano man ang rabies sa kiro na adto man sa manok. So ang kaunon lang kato lamang ang sakto mapagkaihaw. Ihaw din siya, no? Pero katong namatay tungod sa sakit dili dato siya kaunon. Ngano man ang sakit sa mananap maadto sa tao. So that is what we call kosher food. Tanaw, gitackle ang what kind of food and how to prepare the food. So, apil siya. So, next we have here, ayaw, dahil, yun na dahil. Okay, we have here the permissible animals, only those who chew the food and have split hooves. So, meaning, buak ang iyang tiil o nagapangusap sa iyang gikaon. So, that is the kosher food or permissible animals. Okay, example, cow, sheep, goats, okay, that's permissible in terms of beasts of the land. We have here separation of meat and dairy in all aspects of food preparation and consumption. Dili pwede na pagluto sa karne, utangan nila o gatas. Okay? So that is not permissible. Then, additional restriction during Passover. So, panahon sa celebration sa Passover feast, dili sila pwede mukaon sa mga tinapay na dunay pinatubo or leaven. Meaning, yung tagulan o baking, yeast. So, dili na nila kaunon pwede. Especially during the Passover celebration. Okay? So other than that, other days, pwede sila mukaon. Only in the Passover. Okay? The celebration or feasts. So next is what we call the daily prayers. So the Judaism class exercising 3 times a day. So if the Islam exercise 5 times a day, the Judaism 3 times a day. As what Daniel do. No? Katong gibuhat ni Daniel na ampo siya katulos sa kaadlaw, that is the exercise of the Judaism. So, we have here daily prayers. Observant Jews pray 3 times a day. Itulog niya shakarit or morning, mitcha afternoon, and ma'arif evening. So, meaning to say, kung akong gingon sa inyo, when you're going to wake up in the morning, you are going to pray or worship to God para sa pagpasalamat. Okay? That is giving thanks to the Lord that we woke up in the morning. Dili na nakamata sa buntag. So that is why we should pray to God and give Him thanks. And also, in the afternoon. Okay? In the afternoon, that is 3 o'clock. That is what exercised by Daniel. Okay? So, this is also the exercise of the Jewish people. 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And also, Ma'ariv, that is evening. That is evening worship. Okay? So, giving thanks to God for the day. Okay, in the evening, you are going to thank God for the day that He gives and also asking Him to watch over you during your rest. Sa diha ka natulog mo, bantayan mo through His holy angels. Manatuyog na daw mag-ampok sa gabi. So, we have here the prayer service are usually recited in the synagogue, especially on Shabbat and festivals with quorum of 10 adults, a minyan, required for a certain prayer. Tawag siya small group. No? Ang kada Israelites, small group siya para sila sa 10, sila ang mag-share of different experiences that we had. Okay? Wala siya, at least 10 ang quorum. So, we have here another practice of Judaism which is circumcision. Itawag siya Brit Milah. So, Brit Milah is the covenant of circumcision performed on Jewish male infant on the 8th day old after birth. It's significant, it is physical sign of covenant between God and Abraham and is the key rite of passage in Jewish life. So, timaan siya na ang Diyos mo ang ilang Diyos o sila ang iyang katawhan. So that's the sign or the covenant that the people will obey and do the commandments of God through circumcision. Okay? So, muna siya iyang timailhan. That is why, kung wala'y Ginoo, wala sila'y uli. Okay? Kung wala sila nag-ila sa Ginoo, those are religion which didn't know that God is our God. They have different gods, meaning wala po sila yung mga tulik. No? So we have here commemorates the exodus of Israelites from Egypt. that is Passover. Okay? The Passover feast or celebration, tawag siya Pisak. This celebration commemorates, no? Okay? Ilang sa ulog ang pagbiyahe nila from Egypt to Canaan. And begins with Sidar meal, retelling the story of Exodus. And the key symbol is matzah, unleavened bread, maror, or bitter herbs. So diri, halinon kayo ang palaya o mga kabaril. Okay, ano man, kana ang ilang celebration, hindi sila mukhaon o tinapay na dunay patubo. O di sila, ang ilang kaunon anak kasagaran is mga bitter, mga pait na mga pagkaon. No? Nga naman, ilang hatag ang selebrasyon sa pagtabang sa Ginoo sa ilang. Ipakita sa Ginoo, giangkon gid sila ng ilang mga anak. Okay, that's the symbol of Passover. Na ang angel, no, wala namatay ang ilang mga anak ng kamagulangan tungod kay ang anghel, the angel of death, passed over. Okay, passed over from them. Okay, Hanukkah. This is the festival of light. Celebrate the dedication of the second temple in Jerusalem. Lighting the menorah of 8 light or 8 nights, adding 1 candle each night. So kada gabi magsinti sila o usa ka kandila. Anong 8 na 7 raman ang menorah? It's because ang ika-8 na siga na tanan. Okay? Muna to ang ilang celebration, siga na siya tanan. But ang ilang celebration is from day 1, isa ka kandila ilang nagtutan. From day 2, ila sa tagbutan ng isa. Antod mahuman ang 7 o ang ika-8, mo na ang ilang celebration. Okay? Diha, more culmination siya sa ilang feast. So that's Hanukkah, or the festival of light. So marriage. The definition of marriage, muna siya, muna ang dili ko yung kasukan. Sige po nga sa ako tayo pag-suko-sukuan. Okay, again, no? The definition is, the marriage is considered a sacred covenant between a man and a woman. So, dili siya pwedeng a man to man and woman to woman. So, woman and man. So, if ever you are lesbian, find for a gay. If you are a gay, find for a lesbian. So, man and woman na gyapon. No? Wala ninyo gay, lapas. Ang iyang rule, no? Ang iyang rule, di wala ninyo nalapas. So na may mga babae diha na kasing-kasing, na sa mga lalaki kasing-kasing, kamo ang magkuan in the relation. So I bear the ritual kituba, a marriage contract outlining the husband's obligation to his wife. So gina-orient na ang mga lalaki unsa ang ilang papel sa kinabuhi sa usa ka pamilya. Next is shupa or chupa. Dili na chupa. That is chupa. The couple stands under a wedding canopy, symbolizing the home that they will build together. So canopy, that's chupa. Canopy meaning naa siya murag balay-balay. Silong sila sa balay-balay. Pagkasal ana naa siya murag balay-balay canopy. No? Kanang canopy, balay-balay na siya. Dito sila kasunod sa sulod. Ang buot ipasabot ana, the man will leave his parents and join together with his wife, and the two become one. Meaning, magminyo gani, maglain gayon. Dili pwede nga magminyo, nga mag-ipon. Okay? Ako ng balayan na mo anak, hindi pwede mag-ipon. Pero doon ra. Ang sayo na mag-bisita. Okay? Balayan na ko na ito, tubangan sa balay. Okay? Okay, dili pwede. A man will leave his parents and join to his wife, and the two become one. So, dili pwede magsalig na magpinyo na hugas, Okay? So, dili pwede maglain kayo. That is why I told you to prepare yourself and be mature in 3 aspects of life. Your physical, your mental, mental, pinahalan yung utok, muminyo na gina. Your financial, pinahalan kabalo mo, asa mo panguha sa panitugas. And, spiritual. Strong na mo, na kada siya inyong giminyuan, mauna gina siya. Dili na pwede nga minyo, ang paibog-ibog ko sa lain. Ha? Pagpakuan ko sa lain, pag minyo gani, wala na, stick to it, that is already your partner and no other partner. Kaya aside from that merit, if ever, minyo na mo, din nailain diyan nagbuutan kaayo, sabihan kaayo, that's already the agent of Satan. Like in the Garden of Eden, during the Adam and Eve, na si Lucifer. Okay? Nagpakita si Lucifer. So that is what the other persons did. Even though buutan kayo, you think that is buutan kayo more than your husband, buutan kayo more than your wife, but still, that is agent of Satan. Okay, next is breaking the glass. At the end of the ceremony, the groom breaks a glass underfoot, symbolizing the destruction of the temple in Jerusalem and the fragility of life. Kalambuan. Muna siya nga, pagkahuman silang wedding, bundakan, buakan o baso. Symbolize na siya na ang iyang buti pasabot, kalambuan sa pagtiayon. Okay, sa magtiayon. Mingo ba nila, puro yan di malas. So, mawala ang di malas ba? So, that's the meaning of breaking the glass. Mourning and burial. This is what we call Shiva. The Shiva, this is the mourning practices. After the death of the close relative, Jews observe Shiva, a 7-day period mourning where they stay at home, receive visitors, and recite prayers, particularly the Kaddish and a prayer of death. So, ang mga patay nila, ilubong nila diretsyo within 24 hours. It is like a Islam. Okay? 24 hours lang, dili na nila ipabalsamar. Okay? 24 hours, kinahanglan nakalubong na siya. Okay? Paglubong ana, ang ila dayon morning or ang ilang kasubo, maabot silang 7 days. Karang pasubo nila 7 days, ang ilang buhaton na nakaragin sila sa ilang balay. Magdawat og bisita o mag-ampo to have strong. Okay, mahimo silang strong and accepting the death or the death of their loved ones. Okay? So the cremation is generally prohibited. Dili pwede ang balsamar, dili pwede ang cremate. Okay? Wala sa ila ang cremate, wala sa ila ang balsamar. Parehas siya sa Islam ang ilang types of burial. No? Wala siya balsamar. Okay, the importance of Jewish practices. Number 1, it connects individuals to their faith, history, and community. This is what the importance of Jewish practices. Number 2, reinforce identity and continuity across generation. And number 3, provide a rhythm and structure to daily and yearly life. Sabot, pasabot, importante ang practices na ginahimo sa mga Judaism because it connects Judaism or Jews to another Jews. Okay? Mga tao. It can make them unite. It's because of that practices. Okay? May balaan nila nga dili siya Hudiyo. Nga naman, wala nagsimba sa adlaw ipapahulay. Dili ni siya Hudiyo. Nga naman, wala nagpatuli. Okay? Wala nagpatuli. But then again, nag-iwan ko sa inyo, the Abrahamic religion, tinulit na sila. Practicing a circumcision. No? Nag-practice na sila. Pero ako pasabot the general. Okay? In general. So, it connects camaraderie. No? It encourages camaraderie across. It's because of that practices. So, reinforce identity and continuity of generations. Meaning, kung sa'yo practice nila karon, practice na to the next generation. And also, all those practices, it symbolizes that we have one God. Okay? We have one God who guides them the way that we want them to be. Okay, we have here, get one, we are going to escape this one. This is, ako lang ihatag ko. You can give at least 2 similarities and Jewish practices, between Jewish practices and Christianity. Okay? So, 1/4 syempre.